This is a test setup for Saturn Audio Model 401 outboard power supply testing for short condition of the outboard power supply. I am now going to turn on the power bar to have power going into the power supply. Now I am explaining all this meter is what is indicating. This meter is indicating there's 120 volt power from the power supply into the power from the power bar AC power supply into the power supply. These two meters are indicating output voltage of the power supply after the resettable fuse. This indicates the positive rail, this indicates the negative rail. Nominal voltage of this power supply is plus and minus 12.5 volt with load. This is at a no load condition, higher voltage is possible. This meter is measuring across the plus and minus rail before the resettable fuse. This is a meter hooked up to a infrared thermometer. I am using this to measure the temperature of the transformer when the power supply output is shorted. This is the umbilical cord of the power supply. The output, DC output is from here, and this is the umbilical cord, and this is the output plug of the DC power supply. In order to test the short condition, I have made a jacks to mate with this plug, and all the outputs are shorted with 14 gauge copper wire. Now I am going to connect them together, and you will see the two output voltage is down to 0. Now I am going to wake up this meter again because it will go to sleep mode. These two meters go down to 0 because the resettable fuse is already open, and these meters also indicating still have voltage before the resettable fuse. Therefore, in this condition, there is no power going through the umbilical cord because the power has been cut off at the resettable fuse location, which is inside the power supply. I am going to use this infrared thermometer, and I am going to reset this to measure the temperature of the transformer. To have a reference point, I am going to measure the chassis of the transformer, chassis temperature first. It's 9 degree, 8.7 degree, and the transformer temperature is 21.3 degrees. The time marker is 6 minutes and 33 seconds. The outboard power supply, it has been already shorted for more than 15 seconds, and the time marker is counting backward. At 3 minutes, I will turn off, at 3 minutes mark, I will unplug the shorting plug so to see the power supply back into the normal operation. And I will use the thermometer to measure the transformer every 30 to 45 second interval to indicate the transformer has not increased in temperature. This is 20.5 volt, 20.5 degrees Celsius. The time is at 3 minutes, which it means the power supply has been shorted for more than 3 minutes, and I am now turn off the AC power. Before I turn off the AC power, I would like to unplug the shorts. And all the voltage remains back to normal. Now I am turning off the AC power. This concludes this short test.